Hi, meet John, a business owner. He loses 90% of his customers because they find it difficult navigating through his website using their mobile phones. John tried to create a mobile app to connect better with customers, but he lacked the technical skill and could not afford the huge fees charged by developers. His friend Larry introduced him to www.mobileappforeveryone.com, and in just 1 hour, John created an app for his business with zero programming skills at a very affordable fee. He published on all the app stores hassle-free. Oh yes, with mobileappforeveryone.com, John created an app that enables him to send push notifications to his customers, add e-commerce to sell directly on the app, accept payments using PayPal. Customers could call him right from the app, integrate Google Maps to help customers locate his business, get analytics on the performance of his app and business, make money from his app using admob, and lots more. There was no limit to what he could achieve with his app. Now, John is a happy business owner. He connects better with his customers, and his sales keep growing every day. Thanks to mobileappforeveryone.com. You too can be a happy business owner. Irrespective of your business, mobileappforeveryone.com has an app for you, with tons of exciting features and pre-built templates and layouts to choose from. The exciting part is, you can try it for free. Wait no further. Visit www.mobileappforeveryone.com to create your app now.